What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review we have soil, and I know that y'all seen this soil. If you in Costco, if you're in Sam's Club, if you're in Walmart, Home Depot, Lowe's, I don't care what store you go to, maybe Amazon might have it too, but I don't care where you go, you will see Miracle-Gro bed soil. All right, now with that being said, this is my first time actually using the bed soil. I wanted to try it out because this is my first time having basically a portable garden. So you know, this little raised garden. So this is my first raised garden, and I wanted to get some raised bed soil. I was going to get some potting soil, but you know, let's try this out, see how it works. Now with this, it says the coverage on it is what it says, 40 quarts, I believe. And this thing takes up to 2.1 cubic square foot. So we'll see how that works out. I am going to go ahead and pour this in. Ooh, it smells rich. All right. And add in the soil. Oh wow, I bought 2 bags and it looks like I don't need 2 bags. 1 bag should be good enough. Wow. All right, you guys, we have ourselves some gardening tools. That soil took up this whole thing. So 40 quarts will give you your 2 point something cubic square foot. This is good, you guys. All right, I'm gonna let y'all check it out. All right, so here you go. Nice and soft, you guys, nice and soft. I'm going to go ahead and plant my peppers, but that's it. I just wanted to show y'all the soil. So we have the garden bed finally up. We have the raised dirt in, and we have our vegetables in, and everything is looking nice and uniformed. Can't wait until the peppers grow. All of these are peppers, you guys. I love peppers. So anyways, we are finally done. So it looks nice on your deck, you guys. Put this on your deck, put it on your patio, and let the garden grow. So that will be it. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.